Welcome. In front of me saying NOKIA 5.1, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM. So to begin, you're gonna actually need to have a SIM card in, and it should have some contacts on it. Unfortunately mine does not, but I can still show you how it's done. So if you go into the contacts app, which is right here, and you open it, then you have the bars up here on the left side. You can go to the settings, and from here you have manage contacts, and then you have import or block number. So there's not many options right now, but you can import from VCF file, which basically is a contact list file, or you can import them from SIM. So you can choose each one. Now also, if you log into the Google, so if I would actually go into settings, I believe then I will have more options associated with it, and probably also a couple contacts will show up. So let's go into accounts, add account, let's go Google, and let's begin to actually connect to a network. Yeah, you can use your email or create a new one. There is a possibility that on the current one, if you have a Gmail, there is already contacts on there. I'm gonna put my password in. Okay, and once you press next, you'll see the terms of service, so just agree. Accept, and let's see. So now if I would go back into the contacts app, you can see I have a couple other options. So I have import, restore, undo changes, block number. So I got a like single option, I guess. And as you can see, there's a couple of contacts now. And you can also export. Okay, there it is. You can export the contacts to either the Gmail, or export as a VCF file, which is basically the contact list. So if you choose that, you can open that contact list on any other device, basically by just opening that file. And yeah, so that's basically how you would move the contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.